This is an application package for Silverlight or old Windows phones. It's basically a zip file. You can rename it to .zip to see the assets inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's extract it. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the XAP archive, even if it can't fully extract it. An XAP file is a package format used for distributing and installing applications on Windows Phone devices. It's essentially a zip archive containing the application's executable code, resources, images, audio, etc., and a manifest file that describes the application's metadata, such as its name, version, and required capabilities. XAP files are used for both deployment to physical devices and for testing within the Windows Phone emulator. XAP files adhere to a specific structure, defined by Microsoft for Windows Phone applications. The manifest file, WMAppManifest.xml, is crucial as it dictates the application's identity, permissions, and dependencies. The archive also contains compiled code, typically .NET assemblies, and any assets needed for the application to run correctly. Developers use tools like Visual Studio to create and package XAP files. The specific reading module for XAP files is provided by Microsoft XACT from Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows cannot reveal code execution paths, so users must rely on trusted programs to inspect it. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your XAP file and click Open With. If Microsoft XACT is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If the XAP file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the XAP problem to one of 3 basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, use Windows Phone emulator. If a phone app, deploy the file to a Windows Phone device or emulator using the Application Deployment tool. Next, use Archive Extractor. Since the file is a compressed archive, rename the extension to zip and use 7-zip to browse the internal structure. Finally, use Visual Studio. If an audio project, open the project in Microsoft Visual Studio with the XACT tools installed. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.